Welcome to this beautiful Breedendam MTB 4.0, designed by Giedo de Groot and based on the English Motor Torpedo Boats. Today we're going to show you the exterior and interior of this beautiful boat. Let's start at the back. The first place we're going to check out is this beautiful lounge in the sun, where you can sit here, or even here. And if it's getting too hot, you just stand up and jump in the water. In swimming, you just get out by the hydraulic stairs and you'll be able to enjoy the lounge again. The saloon has this big couch where you can sit with a lot of people to enjoy a movie or listen to the music with the Bose surround system. As you can see, this Breedendam is equipped with a big sunroof which provides a lot of fresh air in the hot summer. The Breedendam uses the Simrad navigation system, Volvo IPS. And as you have seen, we haven't touched the steering wheel yet, and that's because we're using the dynamic positioning system at the moment. Breedendam has a lot of features like air conditioning throughout the ship, central heating, a vacuum system, electric blinds and digital control system for the equipment. Across the third seating area we have the fully equipped galley with a Miele oven, a Scott Saran cooking plate. And if you don't like to do the dishes, we also have a Miele dishwasher. On your left side we have the shower, and your right side we have the toilet. And now we enter the main cabin. If you're laying in bed and you want to watch a movie, we have a big screen over here with the Bose sound system to get the full film experience. So if you need more information about this beautiful Breedendam, please visit our website maritimeYachting.nl and we will see you soon.